Hello guys, Nepal Times here, welcome to a new video, and today I have a very exciting video that I've been wanting to do for a long time and that I think it's going to be very useful for many of you. And this video is about how to clean your AirPods. Okay, so as we all know, AirPods Pro just got released last week. I didn't do any video covering it, but I will have one soon, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, we all know AirPods already. They came out back in 2016. It's been over 3 years now, and I've had mine for almost 2 years. And I can tell you something, these things are great, but they can get very, very dirty. So you want to know how to clean them, because otherwise it might even affect the sound actually. So yeah, in this video I'm going to share some tips that I use to clean them. Please know that these tips are not official or anything. I didn't read them in Apple or anything, so if you try them, please do at your own risk. I can tell you they work for me. I've used them for 2 years now, as I said, and I haven't had any issue with my AirPods, but you have to be very careful. So what you will need is tissues, just regular paper tissues, no humid or anything, and then you need something pointy. It can be a needle, it can be a pin, it can be this thing that's just to hang things on the wall or anything. But yeah, basically anything with a pointy tip. And yeah, that's everything you need. And then you need some time, because it might take you a bit of time. Depends on how good you want them and how clean you want them to be in the end. That's how much time you'll have to spend. But yeah, without further ado, let's get to it. Okay, so as you can see, this is gonna be very disgusting, but they are very, very dirty. Not only the AirPods, but also the case itself. And yeah, they definitely need some cleaning. So first off, we'll start from the earbuds themselves. So the main things that happen are usually like earwax get stuck in here and maybe here too. And what I do with that is just remove it with something pointy like this, or a needle or a clothespin. You have to be really, really, really careful. Do it with a lot of care, just so you don't damage the speaker grill itself. So yeah, you have to carefully go around like this, and you will see how it comes out very easily and disgustingly, especially the second one. Okay, so I hadn't cleaned them in a long time. I usually clean them whenever I see that I need, but maybe once a month or something. And I haven't cleaned them for quite a few months, and I have worn them a lot, so that's why they're so dirty. But yeah, you just need to repeat this process whenever you see they're very dirty, and they need some cleaning, then you can do this. So another thing I would like to make clear is that we're not touching the grill itself. I'm just doing it like super on the side. That's easy to get the earwax off. So yeah, we don't touch the speaker grill, and there it comes off. Okay, so once you've done this, you will see that it's out of the speaker grill, but it's still around. So what you can do is just blow. If you have a blower, it's better, but otherwise you can just blow with your mouth, and it will come out. And then we just take another paper and just clean them around. Also, you will see that here on the bottom there can also be some earwax. So we just clean it, and it also helps getting rid of all the grease and everything, like so. And yeah, just wrap it around. Put your fingernails through the paper on the speaker grill, and it will also help getting some out, the part that's not stuck to the edge. Yeah, just rub it a lot, and here it should be fine. And yep, that's almost perfectly clean AirPod. Now the other one. Okay, so now we have the earbuds themselves are clean, and we have to clean the case. Okay, so to clean the case you should do the following. Just take your pin and all these black marks that come around, you just very gently scrub them, and then do that for the whole perimeter. There's a lot of dirt in this case and in these AirPods. And then you'll also see that there are some earwax in here, so you just take a paper and get it out. You can also the other side, also on the lid. Paper will also help getting rid of the gray dust that we were removing before. Yeah. Just put your fingernail around to remove the gray dust. Okay, so finally we finished and we have almost perfectly clean AirPods. So as everything, it depends on the amount of time and effort you put into it, but you can really make them very clean and really see the difference between the before and after. But yeah, now we just pop our AirPods back in and it's like if we had some brand new pair of AirPods. So yeah, another important thing to consider is that we want all the papers that we use to be dry. But yeah, we have some clean AirPods now. Now let's go ahead and finish the video. Okay, so as you saw, this is a very simple method. It doesn't require any special treatment or anything. The only thing you have to be careful about is not punching a hole in the AirPods themselves. But other than that, they're very good. And yeah, as you can see, the difference can be very dramatic. Like, I forgot to take a photo at the beginning, but I took one at the end, and it's dramatic. Like you can see in the video, it's dramatic. So yeah, this has been the video. If you have any questions, please let them down below in the comments and I will do my best to answer. Also, don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up if you like the video. And yeah, subscribe for more Apple related content coming every week. As I said, I have some AirPods related video coming soon, AirPods Pro, so you don't want to miss that. And yeah, thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.